Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Ward, and my first question from the developed answers is why do I want to learn? And I really like this quote that Elder Bednar said in the Increase in Learning book. Our responsibility is to learn what we should learn, to live as we know we should live, and to become what the Master would have us become. And I just think that's the whole purpose of why we're on the earth, is to learn as much as we can um, about Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ, so we'll know for ourselves if the gospel is true, to learn truths um, about the church. But also, I want to learn as much as I can while I'm on the earth. And there's so much for us to learn about our bodies, about the Heavenly Father's creation on the earth, about mountains, plants, anything about the weather, and especially the universe. Um, Academics of science, mathematics, music, art, anything. And Heavenly Father has just given us so many opportunities to learn, so why not participate in that? And my second question is, how do I continue to improve my learning habits? And whenever I try a new study habit and it's effective and actually works, I try to do that as much as I can, but to be more creative about it. So some things that I like to do is study with the group and just to learn from each other about materials from the class um, we that we have mastered, and just help them learn more about it. And the third question is, how can I be a better learner to benefit my future students and their academic success? Um, I just think for the future educators is to learn as much as they can about that certain subject, and to just learn as much as you can, explore, investigate that certain subject, so that you will be prepared to answer difficult questions that may come your way from your students, and to prepare to teach that, so your future students will be getting the best education out there from you. And thank you for watching my presentation.